Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on PowerPoint. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on PowerPoint, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can click on apps and you will enter to PowerPoint. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.